Buddy, can you get out of my way, please? Excuse me, sir. What's going on, boys? How's it going? Welcome to the video. It's a great day, you know? It's a great day because I got a new job. Even cooler than the last one I had. So we're starting the video off with some great news. Fantastic news. Even better news. Boom. My sick classic friggin' plates came in, dude. My classic 4Runner, whatever you want to call them, vanity plates. I forgot the name for a second. And my 861s came in. And my 2K Raptor liner cans. Wait a minute. Did I order 4 of these? I thought I only ordered 2. I don't know. Either way, it's very expensive for this stuff. But this stuff, as opposed to the regular Raptor liner, look at this guy, dude. How's it going, dude? But this stuff is actually tough. The regular Raptor liner cans, they're fine. But I'll show you. As you can see with my bumper, starts to fade. And then if you look at my rock sliders, you know, not great. You step on it and it just chips. Whereas the 2K stuff does not do that. It's like much, much, much tougher. So I have to do my tire swing out. That came in. So I'm going to be redoing the whole back of the car tomorrow. But today I figured, you know, I'm home early because I fucked off. Might as well throw the 861s in and get ourselves a nice little measurement of the height difference. So I'm going to measure the height right now. It's obviously lower on the side with the awning, but we're going to measure the rear height. We're going to throw the 861s in. All right, so on this side we have like 6.5, closer to 7. Not horrible, but we can do better. Alrighty, so boom, 861s were dialed. They're actually 2 861s. Yeah. So, funny story about the 861s here, right? So, if you look, so see how it says like HD front 2861? So, what happened was I ordered these exact springs from Amazon, and I saw front, right? And I saw that they're progressive. I thought that these were just equal length the whole way. Apparently not. So I thought I ordered the wrong springs. And so I returned them, and I was like, whatever. I ordered from OPT. And these came in, and I just took them out of the box, and I was like, oh no, they're the same ones. It still says front on them. So I called OPT, who I ordered from, and huge shout out to Jason. He was just like, yeah, dude, you're not the first person to ask me this. There's no such thing as an 861. The 2 is just, they just drop the 2 and they just call it an 861. And don't worry about it saying that they're the front springs, because they are the correct springs. I was like, okay, well, sorry for the dumb question. Thank you, Jason, if you ever see this. And yeah, let's go ahead and throw my springs in and see how much more lift we get. Dude, I'm excited. Dude, I'm in such a good mood now. Like, fuck, dude, sometimes just quitting your job just fucking, it just fucking hits, dude. It hits, especially when it's overdue, you know what I mean? But yeah, I was scared for a second because I was like, shit, I ordered the same ones again. I thought I was gonna have to reorder, but dude, I called OPT, dude picked up in like 3 rings. So great customer service, big recommend. I also bought strut tower reinforcements and spindle reinforcements that are weld on from OPT as well. So we'll be having some more OPT goodies on the car. Compress the hell out of those springs, compress the hell out of these. Quick swap, quick measure, and then I think I'm good for the day, and we'll do the new swing out tomorrow. All right, I have one side in, and this is already very promising, very good. But also, I just want you guys to see this stuff. I want you guys to see this stuff right next to each other, because it's just a good comparison. 891, 861. Sorry, 2891, 2861. Much stiffer coil, and the height is, you know, way more. So yeah, so like for scale, I had these, and I bought these things just to kind of give me some more height, but it was just still too low and still too soft in the back. So I'm just gonna throw the springs and the spacers up on Marketplace, or see if any of my homies need them, and they'll be good, because they're still technically a 3-inch lift spring. They're just not as heavy duty as this, and I got a lot of weight in the back of the thing, so it is what it is. All right, it is, let's see what time it is. I don't know what time it is. Didn't take me that long. 4 o'clock. sweet. So, shower, meet up with Miranda. It's a good fucking Friday for me, boys. I just finished putting springs on. If anyone wants to buy these, let me know. 891s. They're fine if you just have not that much weight in your car. You know what I mean? Like, this is a 3-inch lift spring for a 4Runner, progressive. They ride really nice. And it was fine until I put the tent and the drawer system on there, and then it was just too low. But let's go see what our measurements are now. Okay, so that is way more. Let's check it out. What do we got? 8 inches. Perfect. 8 inches. Perfect. That is fucking mint, dude. This is so much higher. What were we at? Like 6.5 before? Dude, look at the stance of this thing from the side now. That's so much better, dude. I can't wait to see how it rides, because now that we're level and even, it should ride perfect. Because before, the front end was stiff, the rear end was like super loose. So I hit a bump, the front would like react normal, comfortable. The rear, whoo. So this should be a drastic ride quality improvement. And simply sitting in the vehicle, I already know that this is like a lot stiffer. So these plus the Bilstein should be good moves for me, dude. Alright. Get over my wheel shock. Yeah, I could already tell. That's perfect. Oh, that's so good, dude. Fuck yeah, that's fucking mint. I got no, like, I have like zero friggin' soft. I mean, it's funny because like I still have articulation, right? So just going down my driveway, I could already tell this is exactly what I want. It's like, it's still soft going slow, but like there's no sag. And like when I hit a bump, the whole rear end doesn't fucking sag all the way down. It just like stays where it is kind of. But it doesn't like, it doesn't feel like I'm riding on a brick, which is perfect. So yeah, this is such a good move, dude. Eric was right. He said that same thing. The second he put on his 861s, he was like, holy shit, what a difference. Like, yeah, so that's a success. I'm gonna go get gas before I run out because I'm about to. And enjoy the rest of my Friday, and I'll see you guys in a second. What's up? Got to work for now. Almost destroyed a deer on the way here. I'll put that clip in right here. But yeah, so new swing out. So the one that I bought originally, I thought was this one, but it wasn't. This swing out is meant to like, so you can have another swing out on this side for your jerry cans or whatever, but I'm just gonna put it all in one. It's gonna be one big swing out. So that tire should be further over because I don't like how far that way this sits. Like it like covers the tire or covers the taillight. It just looks kind of shitty. And there's going to be 2 jerry cans on this side that I'm going to use these like universal jerry can mounts. I'm going to weld them into one and make a bracket that I can bolt to the molly panel that should be on this. Alright guys, so I got the old swing out off. Going to clean up some weld spatter stuff and then get this going, build the new one. I already started with this. Oops, don't go away, dude. Alright, I got this much done. I'm kind of like using this as a base and I'm building off of it because I need it to do more stuff. Like this, I'm going to have to cut like some of this pipe off and extend it a little bit. But that's alright. Let's go ahead and mount the main hoop now. No, it's okay.
Hi. Hi, my name is Oh shit.
What up?
My company sent that one too?
No, I had to buy this. I wish. I wish I had to fucking get this for free.
Like one company
no, it was like $500. That one is my old one, and this one is longer, and I have to mount 2 gas cans on this side of the tire. So I'm going to use this and then modify it so that I can fit those cans.
How much you pay for this?
This?
500?
Yeah, it was like 500 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like 480 or something like that. But
You like it, right?
Yeah.
You like that shit, right?
hell yeah. I definitely need to weld that further that way. That's why I just tack it. Alright, so I'm going to take this and I'm just going to extend it. And I'll show you how in a second. Alright, so I extended it, right? Like where you won't really see it. Now I just have to extend this. I just need a little bit more space on here to fit the 2 jerry cans without it like overhanging that way. But now, I have to cut this off so I get a good, what's it called, like, whatever, you know what I mean? You guys know what I mean? Yeah. I had to make it a little bit longer. So what we got so far. Okay, just built out these little jerry can holders. Now I have to make them into one mount that I can mount up there. So. All right, so I got this mostly done. I'm gonna have to take the tire back off and paint everything, and then mount my plate, and then I should be good. Sorry, mount my plate, run the wires again for the plate light, and which I'll get a different plate light, and the hell else was it? My dash cam thing, the wolf box, yeah. So I'll mount my plate underneath here. That'll be good. Legit. Sick. So I didn't spend $400 on a dual gas tank carrier. Granted, the other ones that they sell, like Victory 4x4, very cool looking. I just made this one. This is what it looks like underneath. So I just kind of made a frame. But as you can see, alright, the paint's mostly dry, so I'm just going to put this together. It's about to rain, dude. Damian?
Perfecto.
Still poquito más, poquito agua. No agua.
No, oye,
No, it's dry.
¿cómo se llama bien? No, es como se llama. Perfecto.
Yeah, perfect. Nothing. Man. 2 tanques de gasolina.
¿Consume mucho?
Un impacto para posterior.
Mira esto. Mira, Damian.
Yo
Mira.
lo sé. Esto, Caesar. ¿No? Ah, sí. Bueno. Un poco de gasolina. Un poco de gasolina. También. All right, we're dialed. Hell yeah. Now I just gotta mount my plate in the wolf box. All right, so I am more than happy with that, dude. Hell yeah, look at this. Look at this rig, dude. Please no one rear end me. Oh God, please no one rear end me. But oh, dude, look at this. Boom, 4Runner. Now my wheel is like not centered, but it's not blocking the taillight. Before it was blocking the taillight. Now this is like fucking perfect, dude. Hell yeah. This is dope. I'm super happy with the way this came out, and like once these are obviously like more full, it'll, you know, be less rattly or whatever. Not rattly, it's not rattly at all, but it'll hold it down more when it's full. I do have to, you can see right there, I need to like support this side of the bumper because all of that, most of the wobble in this is really just coming from this side of the bumper moving because the other side of the bumper is not moving. So I'm gonna put a piece of metal on there and just fucking straight up weld it to the support of the bumper down there. I'm gonna put a support at the end so it gets that leverage off of it. Let's get the door first. Hell yeah, dude! Look at this. That's legit. Oh man, I don't even know what I look like right now, so I don't even know what I look like right now, so if I have shit all over my face, my bad, but like, fuck, dude, I just beat the rain, and I've been sniffling all day, and now my fucking throat hurts, so I might be getting sick, but I'm real happy with the way that came out. I need to get some food. I am not cooking. I'm gonna go home, take some cold medicine, shower, and probably pass out. What the fuck's going on over here? Oh, there's ducks crossing. But yeah, dude, real happy with the way that came out. I just got to put a dome light in, and we're good on that. So now I have two jerry can mount, or well, I have a double jerry can mount, a longer, what's it called? A longer, I can't think now, dude. I'm like driving. So now I have the longer swing out, which is sick. I have the dual jerry can mount. They're just like the Vever jerry cans or whatever, like the Amazon ones. Same thing with the mounts. I think I bought them both in 2 packs. So yeah, I originally was gonna do the F-150 tank swap and like have a full auxiliary tank because I was like, oh, it'll be cheap. But then I was like, well, then I need a transfer pump. But then I gotta like figure out something with the filler neck, or add a second filler neck, or link the tanks. And I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna get the jerry cans. I like the way it looks on the back of this thing anyway, and I've been wanting a new swing out regardless because I hated the other one. Because like I said, I ordered that one by accident. I didn't mean to order that one. But yeah, the only thing I have to do now is I'm gonna order a dome light, and I'll put that in tomorrow. I'll make sure I get one that's like an overnight delivery from Amazon. And yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go home and shower because I am disgusting, dude. I hate fabrication. I'm semi-okay at it. I just hate doing it. I would never do it for a living. I would do it for myself only, or like a buddy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just checked 2 large items off the list there. The swing out, you know, it takes a while to do that, and the 861. So now I'm higher in the back, and I can support the weight of the extra weight on the swing out, and it just looks way sicker from the back now. Like that swing out is way cooler. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Put the bell notifications on, all that stuff. I'm trying to post semi-consistently. I'm doing at least 2 a week here, so tell your boys. 3rd gen content. I'm sure we'll get into random content at some point, but this is mainly just prep for the trip because that's gonna be sick. And I've done more to this car in the last like month than I have since I got it. So I guess it's I guess we could call it like it's 1-year anniversary gifts, right? Maintenance and a bunch of new shit. But anyways, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.